Welcome to our journey through San Luis Potosi, a state in central Mexico known for its rich history, culture, and diverse natural landscapes. From the rugged peaks of the Sierra Madre Oriental to the verdant depths of the Huasteca Potosina, this region offers a tapestry of ecosystems, each more captivating than the last. Join us as we venture into the heart of these natural wonders, where cascading waterfalls carve through ancient limestone, hidden caves whisper tales of centuries past, and a rich tapestry of life unfolds under a sky ablaze with stars. Our exploration begins in the Sierra de San Miguelito, a mountain range that stands as a testament to nature's raw power. These peaks, part of the mighty Sierra Madre Oriental, pierce the sky, their slopes cloaked in forests of pine and oak. As we ascend these slopes, the air grows cool and crisp, carrying with it the scent of pine needles and damp earth. The sunlight filtering through the canopy creates a mosaic of light and shadow on the forest floor. Listen closely and you might hear the rustle of leaves that betrays the presence of a white-tailed deer, or perhaps catch a glimpse of a golden eagle soaring high above. These mountains are a haven for a remarkable diversity of wildlife, each species playing a vital role in the delicate balance of this ecosystem. Trails wind their way through the forest, offering breathtaking views of the valleys below. Here, amidst the towering pines and ancient oaks, one can truly escape the clamor of civilization and reconnect with the tranquility of the natural world. Life teems within these forests, from the smallest insects to the elusive puma that roams its higher reaches. The Sierra de San Miguelito, with its rugged beauty and vibrant wildlife, leaves an unforgettable mark on the soul, a reminder of the power and majesty of the natural world. Our journey now takes us from the cool heights of the Sierra Madre Oriental Mountains to the warmth and humidity of the Huasteca Potosina, a region renowned for its lush landscapes and vibrant ecosystems. Here life flourishes in the embrace of water, with rivers weaving through the land like lifelines. The landscape transforms into a verdant paradise, a tapestry of green that stretches as far as the eye can see. Rivers cascade over limestone cliffs, creating a symphony of water and rock, forming waterfalls of breathtaking beauty that captivate the soul. The air hangs heavy with moisture, a constant reminder of the life-giving force that shapes this landscape. Water droplets cling to leaves, glistening like jewels in the dappled sunlight. Towering trees, their trunks draped in vines, reach for the sky, forming a dense canopy that filters the sunlight, creating a world of dappled shade and vibrant greens, a sanctuary for countless species. Among the most awe-inspiring sights in the Huasteca are its waterfalls, each one a marvel of nature's artistry. Tamil Waterfall, a cascade of water that seems to fall from the sky itself, is a sight to behold. It stands as a testament to the power of erosion over millennia, sculpting the landscape with relentless force. The roar of the water as it crashes into the pool below is a sound that resonates deep within, a primal echo of nature's might, a reminder of the raw power that shapes our world. Beneath the surface, hidden from the casual observer, lies a network of caves carved by the patient hand of water over countless years. These subterranean worlds are a testament to the slow, persistent power of water shaping the earth from within. The Cave of Swallows, its entrance a gaping maw in the earth, is home to thousands of birds that swirl and dive in the cavern's depths, creating a mesmerizing dance of life. As we journey through the Huasteca Potosina, we are reminded of the delicate balance that sustains this ecosystem. Water is life, the driving force behind the abundance and diversity that thrives in this tropical paradise. It nurtures the lush vegetation, supports the diverse wildlife, and shapes the very essence of this vibrant region. Leaving the lush greenery of the Huasteca behind, we venture into a landscape of stark beauty, where survival is a testament to resilience and adaptation. Here, in the eastern reaches of San Luis Potosi, the Chihuahuan Desert stretches out before us, a vast expanse of sand and scrub baked by the relentless sun. The air is dry and hot, carrying with it the scent of sagebrush and the whisper of the wind as it sculpts dunes and dances across the barren landscape. The silence here is profound, broken only by the occasional call of a bird or the rustle of a lizard as it disappears into the undergrowth. But despite its harsh conditions, the desert is far from lifeless. Cacti, their forms sculpted by the relentless sun, stand tall, their spines a defense against thirsty creatures. Come nightfall, the desert undergoes a magical transformation. As the heat of the day dissipates, the sky erupts in a tapestry of stars, their light undimmed by the glow of civilization. From the arid expanse of the desert, we journey to an oasis of tranquility, a place where the land embraces the sky in a reflection of azure blue. Here, the harshness of the desert gives way to a serene and calming environment. Nestled amidst rocky hills and lush vegetation lie the Lagunas de la Media Luna, a series of freshwater lagoons that shimmer like jewels in the sunlight. These lagoons are a testament to nature's ability to create beauty in the most unexpected places. The air here is fresh and invigorating, a welcome contrast to the dry heat of the desert. It's a place where you can breathe deeply and feel rejuvenated. The water, crystal clear and inviting, reflects the surrounding landscape like a mirror, creating a sense of peace and serenity that washes over you upon arrival. It's a place where time seems to stand still. These lagoons, fed by underground springs, are a haven for life. The water is teeming with activity, a vibrant ecosystem thriving in harmony. Fish dart through the water, their scales flashing silver in the sunlight. Birdsong fills the air, a chorus of melodies that echoes across the water's surface. Spend some time here and you might be lucky enough to spot a turtle basking on a log or a heron stalking its prey in the shallows. The wildlife here is both diverse and abundant. Take a dip in the cool, refreshing water or rent a kayak and explore the lagoons at your own pace. The tranquility of paddling through these waters is unmatched. The silence, broken only by the gentle lapping of water against the shore, is a balm for the soul. It's a place where you can truly disconnect and find inner peace. As the sun begins its descent, casting long shadows across the water, the Lagunas de la Media Luna take on an ethereal quality. The changing light transforms the landscape into a magical realm, inviting you to stay just a little longer. For those seeking adventure, San Luis Potosi offers a wealth of opportunities to connect with nature in exhilarating ways. This region, with its diverse landscapes and abundance of wildlife, is a playground for outdoor enthusiasts of all levels. Explore the depths of the earth in one of the many caves that dot the landscape, their caverns adorned with stalactites and stalagmites, formed over millennia by the slow drip of water. Or, for the truly adventurous, rappel into the Cave of Swallows, descending into its depths as thousands of birds swirl around you. The rivers and rapids of the Huasteca Potosina beckon those seeking an adrenaline rush. Grab a paddle and navigate the whitewater, the roar of the rapids echoing in your ears as you navigate the twists and turns of the river. For a more leisurely experience, saddle up and explore the countryside on horseback, the wind in your hair as you traverse rolling hills and verdant valleys. Whether you seek adventure or tranquility, San Luis Potosi offers a wealth of experiences that allow you to connect with nature on a deeper level. The true wonder of San Luis Potosi lies not just in its landscapes, but in the rich tapestry of life that flourishes within them. This region is a living mosaic, where every element from the smallest insect to the grandest tree plays a vital role in the ecosystem. From the towering cacti of the desert, standing tall and resilient against the harsh sun, to the vibrantly colored birds of the rainforest whose songs fill the air with a symphony of nature, this region is a testament to the diversity and resilience of life on Earth. Each species, no matter how small, contributes to the intricate web of life. In the higher elevations of the Sierra Madre Oriental, where the air is crisp and cool, forests of pine and oak provide a haven for a variety of mammals, including white-tailed deer, bobcats, and even the elusive puma. These majestic creatures roam silently, embodying the wild spirit of the region. Listen closely, and you might hear the chattering of squirrels as they scamper through the trees, their playful antics a reminder of the joy and energy of life. Or the hammering of a woodpecker searching for insects, its rhythmic tapping a constant in the forest. Descend into the Huasteca Potosina, and you enter a realm of vibrant colors. Here, orchids cling to tree trunks, their delicate blooms a testament to the beauty that can arise from even the harshest of environments. These flowers, with their intricate designs, are a symbol of nature's resilience and creativity. Butterflies, their wings adorned with intricate patterns, flit through the undergrowth, adding a touch of magic to the already enchanting landscape. Their presence is a gentle reminder of the fragility and beauty of life. The rivers and lagoons of San Luis Potosi teem with aquatic life. These waters are a lifeline for countless species. Fish, their scales flashing silver in the sunlight, dart through the water, while turtles bask on logs, soaking up the warmth of the sun. These serene moments are a stark contrast to the bustling life beneath the water's surface. Keep an eye out for crocodiles. These ancient reptiles, a reminder of a time when dinosaurs roamed the earth. Their presence adds a touch of primordial mystery to the landscape. The flora and fauna of San Luis Potosi are a testament to the power of nature to adapt, evolve, and thrive. This region, with its myriad forms of life, showcases the incredible adaptability and resilience of nature. As our journey through the natural wonders of San Luis Potosi comes to an end, we are left with a profound sense of awe and appreciation for the beauty and diversity of our planet. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the natural wonders of San Luis Potosi. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel adventures.